once you get in the corner, you just look down at your front fender the whole time. You never look through the rest of the corner because you don't want to know what's coming up. You want to be surprised. All right, so look, that's perfect. So when you come in the corner, put it back down. Pull up a Superman today, or maybe a little butt whip, butt whip, butt whip. Wow, that was some style right there, buddy! Woohoo!
I'm not gonna make it.
Okay, just go.
Go and go. Press on that. Don't go too fast. I can't balance. On my... I can't...
Just go.
Oh, God.
Vai mandar enceradeira ou viagem? Olha lá, galera! Solta a mão, viagem! Ih, ele não fez dor da moto, não, hein? Vai arrumar, manda uma enceradeira lá pra galera. Vai mandar uma enceradeira.